Welcome to the demonstration movie from Eris 360 Technologies, featuring our newest product, Human Motion Studio. So there's two applications to make this work for the user, and we're looking at the first one here, which is the Motion Studio. And we're choosing from a gallery of characters, and this gallery is going to be expanded upon during the life of the program. So we've got the default walking, and we're applying different characters to the same motion. And these are some of the different characters. Now these are some of the different motion clips. So to that character from this list, and there's approximately 50 different ones with more to be added, we can attach and combine different motion clips to create one animation. So it's very simple to drag and drop clips into the timeline and combine them. So choosing another clip, now we have our timeline and we can control it. So we're going to have the walk continue and then have the other clip at 5 seconds into the animation. So we're watching our timeline and now it changes. So adding clips together is simply dragging them into that timeline, adjusting the timeline so the desired clip appears at the desired time. Then when we can save it, because we're going to apply it to this special clip to a character in the actual reality scene. Now I'm clicking on Record, where we can actually use the Microsoft Kinect system, record a motion with the Kinect device, and use that recorded motion to apply to any of the characters that are in the gallery. So this is just extend the arm up, like picking up a weapon from the hip and extending it. So now what we're going to do is edit it. Sometimes the Kinect system gets some little glitches in it. You need to use the editor to correct them. So in here, we're going to give it a name, draw a gun, and it's showing all the different bone structure. So we can decide which part we're going to use, and we're just going to use the motion from the right arm. That's really what we're after. And then we can go through each frame and check each frame to make sure there's any unwanted motion or glitchiness. We can edit it out by using these controls. So we're assigning the frame to the correct part of the body and making adjustments. When we're done, we're going to be able to save this as a corrected clip and apply this just like we applied any of the clips from the gallery. So this tool is very easy to work with. Once you're done, hit finish, give it a name, just like we did the other one. Now it's saved and it can be applied. So he's walking. What we're going to do is bring in the draw gun clip, put it in the correct position. We can reorder them. And now it's all working together. So we're going to now save the combined clip. Call it walking draw gun. So we've combined the clips. Now keep in mind, we could have multiple clips over virtually as long a timeline as you want. Now we're back to the actual Reality program itself and show you how to create the animation using our motion clips in the Reality program. So once again, from Reality, we can also choose from the same gallery of people and clips. There's our character. We're going to load our clip. Create a path for it to happen on through the scene. This can be any scene. A drawn scene, a point cloud scene, whatever you like. Now we didn't see the second part of the action there just because our timeline wasn't long enough. So you have to know how long your timeline is for your clip to make sure you create a path that has at least that much time. And now it's fine. So again, we're adding a female character this time. Change it slightly. Load an action clip. Add the animation path. And now it plays out. So now we're going to bring in a scene that we previously constructed to show you how these things work together in an actual scene. In this case here, we've got a Google image in the background and we've added some 3D models to the scene. This probably took about 5 minutes. And now a shooting sequence. So this is all going to be real time now. So you've built the scene, you've built the animation with your clips from gallery, from Connect. You've chosen your character from the gallery. So now we're adding an in-place animation, that is an animation that requires no path with it. We're going to have it appear at just the right time. Load the action clip, the falling, and now we can tell it the time to start. So we check the timeline, or when the police officer gets to that time, 9.62. Play it out. And this really gives you an idea of what the editing process is and the approximate time to get these things done. Very simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching.